All right, all right. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa. Man, you hear that scraping, family? Man, how many times do we just pull up too close? Well, family, it is time. It is time for the update, right? I have a success story. Please hit that like, smash the notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. Now, I know a lot of people have been saying, you know, hey, Angel, I didn't know that you had your video went up, and I missed your video. Well, family, I found out it's because we have to hit the notification bell. But when we hit the notification bell, we have to hit all. So no matter what videos go up for you or me, we'll see it. We'll get notification, right? Because we want to be able to see each other videos. Because we want to, that's the whole thing about having these collabs, right? Is to share. And I'm really enjoying the cleanups. I'm enjoying the tea parties. I'm enjoying you know, the updates on the garden, you know, what you're growing, because, you know, I'll tell you, I'm a hard worker. I work, I'm married, and, you know, watching your videos is just a way for me to just have my little cup of coffee or a glass of water, and I can just like, oh, what's going on in the real world? You know what I'm saying? Because this working stuff is a fake world, okay? It's just a process of you got to pay bills. But besides all that, how are you doing? What's going on with the household? You know, what's going down with the tea party? What kind of, like I was watching Grandma, you know, she was doing her, I think it was a tea party, and she had all these wonderful donuts. And I was like, oh my God, where have I been? I got to go get to the bakery, right? So you guys help me to kind of get out of the day-to-day, you know, the process, and I want to get into the fun, you know. But anyway, I have a success story. Last week, right, I was showing you my garden tour, and there was a little palm tree. I thought it was a palm tree, but it's not. It's really called a Sago palm. And these trees are actually historical. They're historic. They've been around way before the palm tree. And they live for over 200 years, and they grow very slow. It takes sometimes 10 years to just get an inch or 2 or 3. I didn't know that. So when I'm showing you guys last week, I'm showing you, you know, this palm, you know, Sago palm that is not really doing anything. Well, family, after I did that video, I was called out by my roommate. She was like, Angel, you got to see what's going on with this plant you have out here. The same Sago plant that I was saying wasn't doing anything. Check this out, what it's doing now. I'll be back. This I planted too. This one is taking a long time to grow, though. I've started this one probably 7 years, and that's as big as it got. Look at that. All right, I just been called out to my palm tree I was talking about last week, how we had it. I had planted this over 7 years now. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this, family. I just talked, this was not here. You guys seen it in the last video. I was just talking about this tree. And look at, I guess it hurt me, and it said, no, I'm doing something. Look at this. Oh my God, that is amazing. Well, he's getting ready to come to his next stage. This is wonderful. Look at how beautiful that is. That is amazing, isn't it?
I wonder what it's gonna look like.
Oh my God.
I wonder it's gonna open up. You can tell it's gonna open up something because you can see how they're straight up.
Right.
But wonder, was there a flower in there or what?
Right, this is the 4th day. Look at that, beautiful.
It's growing big.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Beautiful, wow, so pretty. Wow, very nice.
Did you see I moved a couple of your things around?
Where?
Right there.
What you moved around? Oh, yeah.
Plants I put there.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here, Leanna moved some plants around. Beautiful. Yeah, look at the flowers are blooming so nice. Yeah, that does look nice there. Yeah, beautiful. You know, geraniums, they live through anything. But when you just want to bring some color and bring it out in the house, go with geraniums. Geraniums are nice. They come in all different colors. I just put them together. Put the orange and the whites and the reds. They're just so pretty. Just beautiful. And they love the heat. They love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Yeah. I didn't realize, I didn't get to see the inside, that it is green like a palm tree. Interesting.
Yeah,
we'll
this is
see.
how, we've never seen this. Wow, because it only grows a very little
Like
bit.
I said, the guy down the street, his is still closed, so it's too young, I guess.
Wow, well this one took years to even get to this point. How amazing is that? This took over 10 years. I thought it was about 7 years, but Leanne, she's
10
been
to 15 years.
about 10 to 15 years. Wow. Because we've been here, what, 17 years. Wow, and look at this. Oh, wow. Who knew? Just the next day, right? So it's so amazing to do these little, garden tours, these little updates. Just, every little bit just kind of puts a smile on our face. We just get in awe on. I see some of you guys' beautiful plants that are just coming out with these beautiful, vibrant colors. And we only get to see them at certain times of the year. So just keep sharing. But thank you guys so much. On the way out, hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. And thank you so much for watching. All right. Peace out.